Hello everybody, it's your old pal Dr. Nick. Sorry, I'm a little loopy today, but that's the way it is sometimes. Got this Olivetti Underwood Lettera 32. Come on, Italians, give me some lessons. Tell me how to say it. All right, Lettera 22, Lettera 22 if you're American. Yeah, this machine is pretty spot on. It's clean right out of the box. Just came across the desk, so not gonna have to do anything really to it. Just do a little cleaning, new ribbon, sort out a couple little things that are tweaked and bent. Anyway, yeah, Olivetti, very easy to take this off. Bling. See how easy that was to take this out of the, like movie magic. So yeah, there's just a few of these. There's 4 of these screws, one here, one in each corner. They're easy to spot on the top, and then you just feed it out the same way that most every other machines with these kinds of case covers or body work. Feed it off, move the carriage to the left hand side and feed it out through the right hand side, and you got this little guy to watch out for. That's why you have to do it that's on that side. But anyway, this is a nice little, can you see that? Yeah, script Lettera 32, kind of Italian Russian. But anyway, I was doing a test type of this, and type's good, but it just stops. Nothing telling me when I should stop. So that's the bell. I don't like working on bells because they can be finicky and very touchy. But yeah, here's the bell clapper. Can you see it right there? It's swinging, it's moving. Like you can watch the thing lift and raise. It's raising pretty high, but it just kind of settles away. So the first thing I would do is take some of these mineral spirits in a scientific way, hose this baby down, get it going, get that cleaned up. Oh, we got some dinging. Oh, still doesn't work. Nope, no ding. I could already see what needs to be done on this, which is nice because a lot of times the bell clappers can be weird and angled, and there's lots of geometry shapes to bend it form it the correct way. But this one I could see down here that it's too far backwards. It needs to come forward, like it needs to come towards the edge of this bell, like it needs to hit right on this rim, not on the base. So I'm taking this little T-bar bender that I got, and I'm just going to introduce, first I'm going to give myself some room. I'm going to introduce a little bit of a forward bend in there, just to see if that, still a little, let's see if I can, don't want to go too much because too much is not a good thing. Oh, all right. The trick is, so a lot of times it'll go, if you go fast, the bell will work because you're really slamming that thing down, and then you think you got it all dialed in and straightened out, and then you go and you type like your 30 words per hour, hunt and peck, one finger, and then you get to the bell and this time it dings. So I think I'm going to call it good. It's not a super loud ding, but it's touching right on the bell basically. I don't think there's anything I could do. I think the way it's designed is the way it's designed. Like you can see, it's right there. It'll stop going up about right there. So it's at the maximum height that it's going to get. It's as close as it can get to the bell. So those systems are working fine. It's clean because I sprayed some mineral spirits on it. It's not sticky. I can feel it working fine. The bell isn't loose, it's solid mounted. So yeah, I think we're just gonna call this one good. I dislike working on bells because they're not always this easy. You gotta bend the right part at the right time in the right spot, or else it's not gonna lift right or hit the bell right. But it's all just a matter of looking at it and figuring it out, and bending and unbending, and hopefully you bend the right thing in the right place. But it just takes time and the eye. You got to build up the eye to see these kinds of things. But that's it for today. Short little bell video on this Olivetti Lettera 32 script machine that will be serviced and ready soon. Thanks for watching, guys. Hot Rod Typewriter Company. Have a great day.